Hello everybody, and welcome to some more practice with writing proofs. Here these proofs are going to focus on angle relationships. Alright, let's look at number one here. We're given that AB is perpendicular to BC, that's what the little box here shows that, and we're also telling you that angle 1 and angle 3 are complementary. If you take the measure of angle 1, add it to the measure of angle 3, it'll equal 90 degrees. What we're trying to prove here is angle 2 is in fact congruent to angle 3. Okay, for the statement, AB is perpendicular to BC, that is given. Your first reason is almost always given. Alright, and then by the definition of perpendicular, that is the reason for a statement we need to come up with. And things that are perpendicular are, well, there's an angle ABC. Angle ABC is a right angle. And that defines for us perpendicular. Two segments make a right angle. For C, the measure of angle 1 plus the measure of angle 2 is equal to the measure of angle ABC. That is from the angle addition postulate, just abbreviating so I can fit. And then D, angle 1 and angle 2 form a right angle. We're going to substitute the two previous statements. That is our reason here. And then E, angle 1 and angle 2 are complementary. That is from the complementary theorem, or the complement theorem. Okay. The letter F, statement F, we also have to repeat something that's given, and the thing we haven't addressed yet is angles 1 and angles 3 are complementary. And then we can say angle 2 is congruent to angle 3 because of the theorem that states angles complementary to the same angle are congruent. I'm going to write that out here. Again, angles complementary to the same angle are congruent. So all this work was establishing that we have 1 and 3 are complementary, that's given, and if we say that 1 and 3 are complementary, 2 and 3 are congruent because we already established that 1 goes with 3 and 2 and 3 have to be congruent for the right angle to hold true. Okay, for number 2, given angles 1 and 2 form a linear pair, the measure of angle 1 plus the measure of angle 3 is 180. We're to prove that angle 2 is congruent to angle 3. Well, we start out with angle 1 and 2 form a linear pair, that's given. The measure of angle 1 plus the measure of angle 3 equals 180. For B, we are going to state that angle 1 is supplementary to angle 2. Okay, and that follows the supplement theorem. Angle 1 is supplementary to angle 3. That follows the definition of supplementary. And finally, our last statement is what we're trying to prove. Angle 2 is congruent to angle 3. Angles supplementary to the same angle are congruent. And there you go.